The Straits Chinese Baba Nyonya is a community descended from early Chinese seafarers and merchants who came about 700 years ago, or even earlier. Over time, this men settled down in the port cities along the Straits of Malacca, Penang, Malacca, and Singapore, and they took the local women, Siamese, Burmese, Bataks, Minangkabaus, Javanese, as their wives. These cross-cultural unions created a hybrid community known as the Baba Nonyas or Straits Chinese. And they were Chinese who were acculturated to the local Malay archipelago ideology and lifestyle, and also those of the European arrivals. It then impacted, influenced, and inspired their fashion, lifestyle, and of course, their Nyonya cuisine. Back in those days, the Nyonyas spent their time cooking and doing embroidery work because it encompasses all the feminine skills that is needed. They are especially adept at Nyonya cuisine. Nyonya cuisine is special because it is infused with the flavors of all our local herbs and spices. Cinnamon, cloves, coriander, galangal, turmeric, ginger, cilantro, mace, and even candle nut. All these go to make our rempah, and they go into our curries and dishes, offering up its aromatic and wonderful flavors in any particular Nyonya dish.
I am Lilian Tong, Museum Director of Penang Peranakan Mansion and President of the Persatuan Peranakan Baba Nyonya Pulau Pinang.